Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 3rd of June, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, guys. I don't care what the calendar says. Summer is here.
It is hot outside.
You're going to have to put up with that hum in the background. That's the air conditioner. It's not going off now until probably late September, maybe early October. Just depends. But I always look at June kind of as the middle of the year, the start of the second half, although I know mathematically it isn't. That's how I've always looked at it. So we're kicking off the second half of the year. Guys, let's move on. Alrighty, this week in the shop and projects completed. Mama worked on a bar stool that is going to go with the bar cart that we made towards the end of last year. Took it to the Market 400 when we were going up there, and then we took it to Sharon Shenanigans this year.
Got a lot of likes on it at Sharon Shenanigans.
A lot of people looked at it.
But nobody likes drinking alone, so if you've only got one stool.
Yeah, we only had one stool.
Yeah,
so
maybe two stools.
Stool. Yeah, so it looked pretty good. I thought it came out really, really well. So we're looking forward to taking that to future shows. We really think it'll do better.
Yeah.
End of the year here as we get into the fall shows. Alrighty, guys, let's see what else we did. Mama worked on the trailer. She got the show trailer, started cleaning out on it. A lot of work to be done in there.
Reorganized,
so,
something.
Getting that ready for the second half of the year. Michael and I, and that's Michaela's Michael, not brother Michael, but Michaela's Michael and I, did a lot of work around the yard this week, the lumber yard this weekend. We moved about 26 slabs over here right behind me, getting them ready to get out of here. So we took them we had some over here, some over here, some over here, some over here, put them all together, stacked them up, we wound up with 26 slabs. Really
and they're
nice
gorgeous.
Nice
gorgeous slabs.
Some mostly pine, a few I think maple in there, but mostly pine, but good looking slabs. We got those stacked up. We also moved, cold, and stacked about 120 board feet of white oak, and this is part of that. Now, Michael, brother Michael, he produced this, milled this, gosh, just before he went up to Atlanta. It's running between, depending on which board you check, it's running between about 6 and 8% moisture on it, so it's ready to be used. I think I'm going to start doing some projects with that. One of the things I want to do, I want to shoot a little video since that board kind of looks rough and kind of walk you through the process of what a good piece of lumber looks like. Now, most of this white oak is quarter sawn, and that is the high dollar lumber, so it's really good looking lumber. It needs to be cleaned up and planed, but I'm looking forward to
we'll have a blast planing it.
Yeah, so if y'all want to see a video of what that looks like, the transformation of a couple of these boards, let us know down below. Alrighty, Michael and I also milled, now this is Michaela's Michael still, milled about 350 board feet of pine, and what we got was a bunch of 14-foot 2x4s, a bunch of 13-foot 2x4s and 2x6s, some miscellaneous 1x stuff. But we did that over the course of the weekend in between moving all this stuff in coal and everything. Got a lot done.
Got a lot done. The yard is starting to actually come together where you know where stuff is, which makes a big difference.
Good. I got a lot of this stuff that's going to be going to sales out here right behind me now. But some good looking lumber. I'm trying to get some pictures in here for you this evening. Alrighty, guys.
The cedar stack is now reorganized where I can find boards to make my projects.
That's it. I forgot that. We reorganized that whole cedar stack. Mama went to the wedding last week where we made those 3 projects. We made the plant stands, the centerpieces, and cupcake stands. Unfortunately, I don't think I got the picture sent to me in time that I can go ahead and put them in this video. So probably won't get the pictures.
Maybe just do a short blog with just them.
Yeah, we may have to shoot some pictures of it later or something. But anyhow, we'll try to get you some pictures. I know we promised them, but it's just probably not going to happen this video. Alrighty, guys, let's move on. Alright, upcoming for Two Dogs, we're looking at sawing probably another dozen or so pine logs and trying to get those milled up this weekend if the rain will let us. Rain's supposed to move in between thunder and lightning. Michaela's Michael and I are going to try to get out there in the mill and see if we can't get us at least a dozen logs milled up. We're going to finish some mid-century modern tables. Excuse me, mid-century modern tables that we've been working on here. for a while.
They're sanded and ready to be painted.
Now this is actually going to be a really nice table. Really heavy duty.
Upstairs.
We've got the chairs upstairs need to be redone. We got the big slab right here that we're going to put the live edge slab on it with. I think those are going to be really pretty. I don't think they will last long.
I don't either, not when you put the chairs with them.
Now, and Mama's going to finish some epoxy pours. Now she did a really pretty epoxy pour here the other day. Did I get that upside right? Yeah.
No, it's upside down.
Oh, is it upside down?
Yes.
There we go.
There. Yeah, the plants go. There we go. There's the plants. Ta-da!
That's it. But Mama did this over the weekend. Really nice. These are very popular for wall hanging pieces and art pieces. I mean, she's got several epoxy pours she wants to finish. We're going to look at going to the festival that replaced the Union Point Junction Jamboree. Now, if you remember, we went to that last 2 years ago because this last year they had
changed it to a beer fest.
Yeah, beer fest. So we're looking at maybe going to that. I think I'd like to. I just love that small town. So what we'll probably, I say living in a small town, I did. Actually a big booming metropolis compared to here. But anyhow, we really love the town. So we're looking at making a lot of things that would be related to beer and wine things. We're looking at maybe making wine holders, 6-pack holders, maybe some 24-pack holders. I might take one of my doors over here that I'm remaking into being a wine holder. So got a lot.
I can do some resin pours with beer caps.
So yeah, we're looking forward to doing that. We need to find out more information on when that is. Mama's going to look into that. We got to finish this sofa table down here in front of me. This is going to be an item that eventually goes for sale. Is that correct?
Yes.
But in interim, it's going to be used at Jay and Tangie's wedding. I think
as a memory table
that as a memory table. We think. Now, if they want to keep it in after that, then. You know,
of course, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, then of course it won't go anywhere, but I'm not really sure what the exact long-term plans are, but we do know we want to finish it up and have it done probably, what, the next 3-4 weeks on that?
So that it's ready for the wedding.
Alrighty, guys. Alright, let's move on. Well, I think that's about it for this evening. Loretta, do you have anything that you want to throw in there?
Not today. I wish.
Alright, it's kind of quiet here in the shop the last couple of days. Alrighty, guys, as always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.